The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 6th. Hope you guys enjoyed your, thank you, Deepak. Hope you guys enjoyed the long weekend. Thank you, Scott. Tom, good morning. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Fellas, we're back at it. We're back. We should be pretty much in full swing starting this week. We might have a little bit of lower volume still, but we're basically back into fall trading. Good morning, Jacques. Barry, good morning. Hubba, good morning. Robert, good morning. We're basically back into full volume and fall trading. We have this week an abundance of Fed speakers. Tomorrow we have 3. Barkin at 9, Mester at 10, and Brainerd at 12:35. Brainerd won't affect us. The afternoon session possibly, which begins today. I'll get to that. Thursday, we have Powell at 9 a.m. And then on Friday, we have Evans at 10, Waller and George both at noon will be gone. But we have Fed speakers all week. I'll remind you guys again tomorrow. Couple of things. 1, order flow class begins today, 11:45. I've sent the link to everybody. I believe that everybody that is in the room currently has registered. If you are not registered for the order flow class, which begins today, you need to email me. I sent everybody the link a week ago and asked everybody to register. I have 4 people that have yet to register. Rob Beecham, if you're in the room, Eddie, if you're in the room, Set Beer, and Amin. I have 4 of you guys that have not registered. I'm not sending follow-up. I made the announcement every day. Also, today at 1 o'clock, the afternoon session begins. Some of you guys emailed me. I sent out the invoices. I have some that are unpaid. If you plan on being in the room at 1 o'clock, please get your invoices paid. In any event, guys, good morning. This is an unusual week. I have no trials this week. It does not happen often. So we may be able to do a few more things or talk about a few things that I ordinarily don't do when we have trials in the room. Currently, the bots, which I turned on at 6 a.m., are up $1,255. Send me an email, Mark. Yes. Send me an email like now, and I'll respond at 11 or so when I close. Oh, you're welcome. Hey, Dan. Yeah, Dan, I sent you the invoice for the afternoon session and it to the email address, which I have, and it came back undeliverable. USA something. Came back to me like, I'm still getting rejection notices. I don't know how to get rid of it. In any event, guys, good morning. Randy, if you're in the room, welcome back. Hey, James, good morning. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I'll show you the charts. I'll show you guys what I'm expecting. And there we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. NASDAQ, ES, and crude all have longs on currently. Okay. Since we don't have trials in the room, there's target 1 on crude. Since I don't have trials in the room, I won't leave them up. Target 1 filled now on the ES and target 2 filled on the NASDAQ. All right, here's the NASDAQ chart, fellas. ES is also going to short. I don't think the ES comes below 40. If we break below 40, we can backtest 39.20. Morning, Greg. Morning, morning. NASDAQ could trade back to 140. NASDAQ looks like a short. You have a small first target at 160. And then 54, and then 40. 136 was yesterday's close. I don't particularly care for the ES short. ES sitting right on VWAP. Anybody short silver? Kablam. Silver's target 150 is target 1. And a break below 130, it's going to get smoked. Crude is gold. There's target 1 on the NASDAQ. If anybody shorted NASDAQ, you have target 1. Final target I have is 140. We may get that. Soybeans also a short. Gold is a short. Crude is a short. Target 1 is 55. It's almost there now. Target 1 only on the bot. Here comes 55. You would have had to have been fast. We hit 55. No, we hit 56. You got a small bounce. Copper is rolling over. NASDAQ sitting on some support here on the 240 minute, as is the ES at this 40. ES just back. Anybody take the crude short? Target 1 is hit and smashed, and we are now puking it up. Came down to 44. Anybody catch crude? If crude breaks below 86.18, it's going to get smoked. Okay, Ray? Below 86.18, crude gets smoked. Nice job, Arjan. Look at silver. Yeah, silver's getting smashed. Smashed on silver. Okay, Dan's long ES. Anybody else long ES? Silver got smashed. Great trade. Gold came down as well. 75 is the target on ES. 75. Watch crude on a break below. That may be the day low, 86.20 area. Greg, you short crude yet? ES stop is 35. ES is holding the bottom of the hourly cloud. I don't think we come below. Here, I'll show you. I showed you the zone. Here's the hourly. There's the bottom of the zone, 40. I don't think we're coming below 40. That's a 60-minute. NASDAQ looks like it's going to trade down to that 40 area. Now, small negative delta, 87 contracts. Natural gas got target. Anybody take natural gas? Well, my target, I take that back. My target was 25. It came to 29. Missed that by 4 ticks, but nonetheless, a big trade in natural gas. And I think it's swing shorts. I'd really like to see natural gas come back to $8 to start a long. Wheat, nicely bid. Grains close at 8.45, so I won't. And soybeans trying to get a bounce. I won't touch them. Grains close at 8.45 and reopen at 9:30. And where they open, nobody knows. Copper is rolling over. Copper needs to break below 45.20. Kids are all back at school, fellas, in the Northeast. Excuse me. Natural gas got first target. Mark, I sent you, I responded to your email. I'm doing emails now, guys. We're slow. Joe, I sent you an email. Deepak, sent you an email. Sharon sent you an email. 34. Okay. I'll look at it in a second. I'm trying to get these emails done. And Sam. I'm sending you yours now, Sam. Okay, guys. Anybody that sent me emails, I've responded to them. Oh, Dan, I missed yours. Sorry, buddy. That's what happens when I have 3 email addresses. I'll take care of that right now, Dan. All right. ES is looking pretty good, fellas. Those of you guys that are in ES. All right, Dan. Set. Hey, Mark. Good morning. On ES, unless you don't trade those instruments. ES is obviously in the money. Gold short at 21.3. Oh yeah, gold is short. That's a big trade on gas. $1,500 a contract. Okay, Sam. I will mark you as such. Oh, okay. All right, Mark. Let me read. Mark, send me an email. Excuse me. Hey, James, hang on 1 second, man. Joel's got nothing to do with Unorenco. You have to download it. You have to download it. Keith, is what month to month or ongoing? Download it and import it to Ninja, and then it's in data series, James. Send me an email. All right. Another bot long on crude. All right, guys. I'm going to shut off my ES bot, my NASDAQ bot, and natural gas bots. Okay. Where do I think gold will end up? Looks like it's headed into the dumpster. We're sitting on a pivot here at 17.9, but 14.5, 14.5. Crude needs to get above 21 and it goes smash. Okay, thank you, Greg. I've only got two anyway, so I'll take one. All right, fellas, it's almost my breakfast time here. So I'm going to shut this off. This will be the last trade of the morning, well, until 9:30. Anybody have any questions before I jump for breakfast? It was a good morning. ES long to 75. Stop is 35 on the ES, so unless it comes through 35, it's long. If we come below 35, we're coming to 20. We're going to back test 20, but I don't believe we do. Okay, out on crude, par for the course. The old head fake, head of the open. Getting a bid here at the top of the hour. Guys, I will be back in about 20 minutes. I'm just giving you an observation. I'm not taking. Here we go. Off. Yes, back up. NASDAQ back up. Buyers in the NASDAQ currently. A little bit of resistance right here. ES, if ES gets above, fudging charts frozen. How does the ES chart freeze? 47, 48, I will take the ES long. ES traded to 44. I'll be long 48 if it moves back up. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to fade. Quick drop on the ES, 30 handles. Some minor support here at 25 on the ES, on the NASDAQ. Buyers coming back into the NASDAQ, holding that 23, 24. NASDAQ may give you a long to 40. Let them settle down. We got nothing here yet, guys. It's too deep in the hole to want to be short. For me, I'm watching ES. If it can get above 48, that's where I'll be long. And it was a fake breakdown, and they just ran stops. If ES breaks down below 33, you can buy 39.20 puts, SPX puts, 39.20s. You can buy 39.05s even. If you trade SPX, it's got to take out the low of the day. Crude is rolling over. Crude is a short to 32. NASDAQ will probably test 90, 12,090. Below that, we come 55. ES is hanging in there, trying. Crude is rolling. Crude was a nice short. Target one was 32. It didn't hit it yet, but it's going to. They're drawing shorts in, guys. We could come down to that 54, which was yesterday's low, but believe it or not, we still have a small positive delta, and sellers are getting anemic. ES still holding. Nope. Nope. Still have no trade. All right, buyers coming in now. NASDAQ, I think we can get back to 32 and 42. ES is trying. Come on, NASDAQ. If you get above 24, you can take it long. There's 32. Here comes ES. I'll be long 48 ES, not before. 43 is next target up on NASDAQ. If you took the long on the 24 break. Come on, you rat bag. Must be Monday. Russell getting hit. Crude got target and then some. Matty Gas is trying for a bid. First target only on NASDAQ. So far, nothing, fellas. If NASDAQ gets above 43, it's going 71.2. Freaking negative delta of 7 contracts. I mean, that's what we're dealing with here. Come on, give me an up move. If ES breaks the low of the day, or the swing low here, low of the day is 15. If ES takes out this swing low at 32, I think they're just drawing shorts in, guys, and they're going to wreck the shorts. We're way oversold. $39.20 SPX puts. 39.20 SPX puts. We broke 32. NASDAQ's going to come test 12,054. Next target is 70. Next target down is 70. Damn chart's frozen. God. Okay, there's 90. We're coming 54 next on NASDAQ. Let me look at ES here. Yeah. Should come to 20. Qs couldn't get above my entry level here at 96 for a 300 target. Anybody buy SPX puts, you're in the money. Anybody buy SPX puts, you're in the money. Okay? Trade them as you see fit. This is just kind of a sloppy trade so far, fellas. Negative delta 600 on NASDAQ. $39.20 has been support on the ES. So if you have SPX puts and you're trading more than one, take 75, 80% off, and then you can hold a few lottos to see if we can break down to 05. We have a 500 contract negative delta on the NASDAQ. Nothing. Watching NASDAQ long back to 135. 23.6. Thank you, Greg. Crude's getting hit. Crude below 24 is another short or a continuation short. 87.22 short. NASDAQ, 2 targets. All right, guys. ES coming into that 39.20. Again, trade your SPX puts as you see fit. Come on, NASDAQ, you going to get a bounce today or what? There we go. My chart's unfrozen. We have 200 contract negative delta, guys. I think they're going to, I think they're going to punish these longs. We may still sell down a bit. All right, NASDAQ is long to 22, target 1. Come on, NASDAQ, 22, maybe 21 from 04, 5, 6. Come on, NASDAQ, let's go. Rat bag. Come on. Hold the support right here. Nope. 200 sellers, guys. 200 sellers. That's all we've got. They're going to kill. They're going to punish these shorts. I still think this is going to pop. I mean, we have 40 sellers in this candle. That's it. 43. It's holding this support area here in the 80s. $235 net sellers. That's it, nothing. All right, ES. If you bought SPX puts, you've hit 39.20. That has been support. 54, I guess, next level down on NASDAQ. Take most of your risk off SPX puts. Here comes 54, which was yesterday's low. $500 net sellers. God. Copper's a short. HG. More to trade than the NASDAQ, guys. Copper's a short. Okay. Fairly. This is just a bullshit trade so far, fellas. Here comes copper, fellas. If anybody is short copper, China lockdowns. We got a short on natural gas on the bot, but it's not doing anything. We also have crude. It just doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of momentum in this market. 24 is my short on crude, guys. There it goes. Here we are at yesterday's low. They better defend this. Let's see, today is Monday. If they take out that swing low from last week, the low 17, this gets pummeled. Guys, again, we opened up in shorts and there's nothing I can do. We can't get a retracement. Crude's coming into first target. No, it should get that first target at 14. We're bouncing off of yesterday's low. $39.20 SPX puts are monsters. All right. There's target 1 on crude. Spies this 90, Q's this 93 level. If Q's lose 91.90, this could get brutal. SPY. Spies coming into the support low. NASDAQ broke Friday's low. Here comes 05. Here comes 39.05. Anybody holding SPX put still? Yeah, that's what it looks like, Caleb. Anybody holding SPX put still? Fudge. Nice job, Deepak. Man, this is pissing me off. We're oversold. Can't get a bounce yet, but we're oversold. SPX puts look like on the hourlies, they SPYs want 387, 388. We're probably going to trade now. If we break below 39.05 on the ES, we're going to trade 38.90s. I hate directional trades, fellas. Absolutely hate directional trades. Yeah, it's great for options. Copper is blowing out to the downside. Anybody short copper? Natty gas looks like it's going to blow up. Okay, Sharon. Copper's doing its job. Crude is trying to come down further. Wheat, strong bid. Not soybeans. Yeah, they'll retrace it at some point. As soon as they get Europe sucked into the shorts. Wheat is melting up if you trade wheat. 817. Way oversold here, guys. So on a bounce, if the ES gets above 20, I would take a 25 long and try to trade that back to 40. Straight up directional trade here. All right, ES starting to turn. 20's now resistance. ISM services coming, guys. Pop to 74, maybe. No. It's above. $52 long on the NASDAQ. ES, I'll take a 25 if we get there and try to trade it to 40. No bueno. 2,000 sellers now in the NASDAQ. Jesus. Man, I hate trend days. Some support here now on the NASDAQ. Better hold here, or else we're coming 950. NASDAQ's off 44 points. ES is off 6.5. YM's off 70. I mean, it's not like we're getting crucified. United Health is up $4.50. Next target down for the ES, 3890. 3890. Patience, guys. Tesla below 366 gets blown up. Copper's doing great on the short side. I think only one person took copper. There it is. Okay, there's 70. Stop is 54. Don't you do it. Held 54.75. Come on, you rat bag. Held stop by 3 ticks. Target 1 is 86. Target 1 is 86 from 70. Come on, get up through 72 and pop it. Come on, rat dog. Oh, hit stop. Fuck. I still think this has got to bounce here. It's holding support here. I like the long here, guys, at 70. Jesus Christ. Going to be out on the NASDAQ. I still like this area, guys. Here. If we get above 81, we can go a long ways. Still cannot get above this stupid little area here. I'll be long again on that break. This can go all the way back to 12,050. Still not yet. It's trying. It didn't get through. It's trying, guys. Nope. ES is holding that 90, which is a good spot for a long. Back up to 05. And NASDAQ, if we can power through here, I'll be long again. Come on, dirt dog. Got a small bounce in the Qs and the SPYs. Look at that. I think we're going to bounce, guys. SPYs are pulling back into the daily cloud. Good Lord. Still no. Another short on the NASDAQ. Target 1. Target 2. Coming into the 1030. All right, watch this long here, guys. All right, I'm long. Come on. Push. ES went long on the bot. There we go, guys. There we go. See if we can't get it to 04, 05. Come on, baby. Got you now. Got you now. Take some risk off, guys, right here. Take some risk off. 12,000. Free trade. We're targeting 12,025 now. 12,025. ES got 2 of the 3 targets. Stop its break even. I'm not even long the ES until it gets over 05. That would have been your target, 05. I'll show you. We held. Natural gas, I got nothing. Crude is coming down. Come on, NASDAQ. Man, we had 909 buyers in a 3-minute bar, 2 bars back. We've picked up 600, almost 700 sellers again in the last 2 bars. I believe this is going to go. It's just, they've got sellers trapped. Here we go. Seller at 10, but he's gone. 185 contracts. All right, guys. Come on. Get here. Get 7. Come on, big fella. No. Hang on, guys. NASDAQ's going to get back up to 11. It's still above that level that we took along. NASDAQ on the bot, guys, has gotten 2 targets. 2 targets hit. Come on, yes, let's go. NASDAQ's long. NASDAQ's long. Just got to get through that swing at 5.5, but it's long. Get 7. Come on, baby. ES is long. There we go. Unfinished auction at 19. Where the hell did this fill me? It filled me at 11. What a rat bastard. What a terrible fill. Boom! That's all I can say. Boom! Nailed it. Come on, come get that auction at 19.20. That's target 1. Or as you see fit. Come on, baby. Come on. Get that swing. Come on, you rat bag. Come on, rat bag. Come on, rat bag. Boom! How about that? Hell yeah, baby. Waited all morning for our trades. Got them. Take some risk off here at 20. Okay? Risk off at 20. So take some risk off. Now you hold runners. God damn it. I'm frozen. Hang on, guys. There. Okay? Next level up is 40. 40. Are you kidding me? Look at this. I'm frozen. Fargan Ninja. You Fargan ice soul. I mean, guys, I couldn't get the short because of how I trade. I don't sell bottoms, and we've basically been bottom all day. Look at, we got that 52 target. That's right. You violated my Fargan rights. I can't even show you the chart. It's frozen. There we go. Ninja is losing its freaking mind here, fellas. Seriously. Okay, now we're above 20. We get above that 25, right? You can consider that area clear. Yes? Here was my entry. We back tested it half a dozen times and just popped 100 handles. That wasn't good enough? We going up, baby. 25 is your next long. If you passed the 9 entry, if you're still holding the ES, your stop can be at 9. It's a free trade. You should have runners. NASDAQ as well. I'm telling you, they're going to make the short stinking pay. NASDAQ's next target up is 82. If you're long, this is not the place to get in. That's the next level up, next target. Mark, when you say stopped out, what do you mean by stopped out? Break even. Thank you. Yeah. So your next entry on the ES is here, 25 half, and then you trade it to 40. But you're gonna, have to be a little bit patient, guys. We're gonna probably get it on the 11 o'clock candle. If we get to 31 on this current hourly, we're going back to 50. Now that they got the short sucking gas, you guys see how this game is played? You see how the game is played, fellas? They draw the shorts in, and now they hang them out to dry. They draw the long ins, they hang them out to dry. That's the game. That's why I don't sell bottoms. On occasion, I'll take a breakout. Remember I told you guys? Oh, thank you, Ray. Yeah, the market doesn't look good. And with 3 Fed speakers tomorrow, I suspect we come down, tomorrow, if not late today. But they have to make the shorts pay here, fellas. Yeah, Ray, what's cool is, here in East Tennessee is doing this. None. Boom. Boom. Chaka-laka. Q calls. SPY calls. ES is in better shape. NAS is above VWAP. Your target is 40 from 25. Got my 90 target on NASDAQ. Just got to break above VWAP, and she goes as well. Down to 1,600 net sellers, NQ. Now the shorts are gut-wrenching. They are holding their guts. Yeah, but. Who's long ES at 25 half? Okay, fellas. Here comes the push. Ready? Right now. Come on, NASDAQ. Kirk still long from 09. My man. Okay, Ryan. Yep, they are definitely hugging porcelain. Here we go. NASDAQ's breaking above. NASDAQ target's going to be 150. You're long on the candle close, guys. If you're not long, boom, long, 150 target. ES got 33.75. Your target is 40. Nice job, Arjan. Nice job. Booyah, baby. Just beating them up, fellas. Beating them up. Look at this. I can't even get the God. There we go. Next 15-minute bar in 6 minutes. NASDAQ is longs, guys. We're down to 1,100 net sellers. We were over 4,000 net sellers. Over 4,000. Shorts are going to be doop-de-dood. Doop-de-dood. Thank you, Deepak. Fellas, we're coming into 11 o'clock, which is where the session ends. We're back testing that 25 break on the ES. 40 is our target. Bingo was his name-o. Anybody not make money today? Let me shut bots off. Anybody not make money today? You're welcome, Don. All right, guys, let me get this. Here's our bot total, 22.27.50. 22.27 and 50 cents. All right, Jonathan. See you at 1 o'clock. You're welcome, Sharon. We're going to 40, guys. I'm telling you. It's the next level up. NASDAQ's going 150. You're welcome, Tom. Call it. I think ES is going to get to 48. 48 today. And at the end of the day, we got a shot of pushing to 39.75. You know what? Let me check volume. 10:30. Still 11% below our 3-month average daily volume. We're still low on volume. NQ long. Yep, through the 95 level. Boom, off the bottom. Glad you caught that, Ray. You're welcome, Peter. Fellas, is there anybody that did not make money today? Got about 3 minutes left in the room. Yeah, I know you did. I texted Chris a little bit yesterday. You're long NQ, you mean above VWAP here at 94? Yeah, dude. You're going to have resistance at 15 if you're trading more than one. If you get through 15, you're going to 35. So this is the resistance here on Crackhead, right about there. If you get through that, you're going 35, dude. All right, ES got 36.50. We're looking for 40. NASDAQ, below 800, negative delta. They're going to torture shorts, fellas. Torture them. Come on, NASDAQ, push it up right here, baby. Go get 34. Okay. Whatever you do, Rick, this trade does not go to a loss, ever. Come on, one more 30 range candle and get through that 15, and you are loving life. You'll get 34, and above that, you're going to get 45 to 60. Here comes my 40 target on ESKI from 25 half. Here it comes. 40 target hit and fill. That's a heifer trade. Anybody know what HYFR is? Heck yeah, fucking right. There we go. Waited all day, guys, for 3 trades, 4 trades? Very nice. That's right. Very nice. Very nice. I buy clock radio. He buy clock radio. I buy window with glass. He no afford. He cannot afford. Nice job, Kirk. Up 63.50. Order flow and bots. Hey, you're welcome, Becky. Nice job, Rick. Almost got a funded account in one day. 23.75. All right, fellas. It's 11 o'clock. I'm done here. Everybody made money, right? Nobody's leaving unhappy. You're welcome, Sally. Craig's up 10,975. Nice job, fellas. Guys, listen, remember, we are paid to wait. We are paid to wait. We waited a while before we got our first trade. I know it's hard. You're welcome, John. I know it's hard to watch the market sell off, but we got the reversals. We're paid to wait. As my friend Sandy used to say. Guys, I'll see everybody at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Don't forget, we have 3 Fed speakers tomorrow. Don, 9, 10, and 12:35. I will see my order flow guys in 45 minutes. I will see my 1 o'clock guys in 2 hours.